Good morning, students. I am Prabha. How are you? Are you writing terminology words daily? Very good. Okay, today we are going to visit a zoo. Come with me. Now we are going to enter into the zoo. Before that, answer me, what is a zoo? Let me tell. Zoo is a place where animals are kept in the area that is surrounded by a wall or fence for public view. That is, in zoo, we can see the animals closer. We keep domestic animals in our farms. Then, what are all the animals kept in a zoo? The animals which are wild and dangerous are kept in zoo. Now get inside the zoo. See what are all the animals here? See the lion. How majestic it is. So it is called as the king of animals. Next is elephant. Then giraffe. Wow. See the tiger with his master. See the zebra who drawn lines in their body. Now we came to rhino area. See the mother and a kid. Hey, see the pandas. Now we are going to see bear. Here comes the deer. See how beautiful it is. Now we are entering near the crocodile pond. See how sharp its teeth are. See, there are some dolphins jumping. Wow, superb. What is here? It's having 8 hands. Yes, it is octopus. Look at the tree. What is hanging there? They are bats. They hang upside down. This is cheetah and this is leopard. Do you find the difference in cheetah and leopard? Very good. Hey, look at there. A monkey is sitting on the tree. Wow. Now we are going to exit. Now tell me, did you all enjoy the picnic? What are the animals we saw in the zoo? Lion, tiger, rhinoceros, zebra, monkey, etc. Isn't it? These are called wild animals. Zoo is their home? No, they all live in forest. Today we are going to study about wild animals. Forest is the natural home for wild animals. They get food and water and live freely. In the river and pond they get water. Do all animals live in same place? No. Different animals live in different places like mountains, some in grasslands, some in ice covered areas, and some in deserts. Most of these animals hunt for their food. If we enter inside a forest, they may attack us from any side and kill. They are very dangerous animals, so we can't keep in our home. In the forest, there are many trees. Where do these animals live? Do they make home for themselves? Let us see about the home of animals. Birds build their nest on trees. Some animals also live on trees. Animals such as monkeys, pandas, squirrels live on the branches of trees. while some animals like elephant, zebra, deer, giraffe found shelter under the tree, but they roam around in the forest. So, plants are the main shelter for many animals. Lion lives in a den. Den is a small hollow space in the side of a hill or rock. Bear lives in a cave. What is a cave? Cave is a hole naturally found in hills. See the picture. You can find out the difference between a den and a cave. Do you understand this? Some animals also make home in the soil. Rabbits make burrows in the soil and live there. What is a burrow? A burrow is a tunnel in the ground. A tunnel contains entrance and exit like a pipe. Snake, mole, mongoose, snail, earthworm make holes in the ground and live. Hole don't have another end. Some animals live in water. Examples are fishes, whale, octopus, seahorse. They don't have legs to walk or run. They have only fins to swim. So they live in water. Crocodile, frogs, and tortoise live both on land and in water. They use their legs for walking and swimming also. Also, in ice covered areas, we can see some animals like polar bear, penguin. These animals can't live in a hot climate. Thus, wild animals live in natural home in the forest. Okay, students, it's enough for today. We will see some other things about wild animals in the next class. Now, we are going to see some terminology words. Repeat with me. WILD, wild. ANIMALS, animals. Wild animals. LEOPARD, leopard. LEOPARD, leopard. GIRAFFE, giraffe. GIRAFFE, giraffe. CROCODILE, crocodile. CROCODILE, crocodile. DOLPHIN, dolphin. DOLPHIN, dolphin. OCTOPUS, octopus. OCTOPUS, octopus. SEAHORSE, seahorse. SEAHORSE, seahorse. TORTOISE, tortoise. TORTOISE, tortoise. BURROWS, burrows. BURROWS, burrows. PENGUIN, penguin. PENGUIN, penguin. In this class, we studied about homes of animals. Now we are going to revise that. Repeat with me. Different animals live in different ways. Some live on land, some in water, and some on trees. Animals such as elephant, Deer, tiger, zebra, and giraffe roam around the forest. They take rest under the shade of trees. Lion lives in a den. Bear lives in a cave. Animals that live in water are whale, octopus, fishes, dolphin. Animals that live both on land and in water are crocodile, frog, tortoise. Animals that live in soil are snake, mole, rabbit, mongoose, snail, earthworm. They make burrows or hole in the ground. Animals in ice covered areas are polar bear, penguin. Some animals that live on trees are monkeys, squirrels, pandas, bat. Most of the birds build their nest on trees. Children, study this lesson carefully. I am going to ask questions in the next class. We know about homes of animals. Next, we are going to study about food of animals. You are watching TV. If you happen to see Animal Planet, you may know about many animals eating different food. I will ask you about that. So, ask your parents and get ready. I know that you all love to match the words. Shall we do this exercise? Let's start. On left side, see the words snake, bear, pandas, penguin, zebra. And on the right side, look at the words on the trees, hole, shade of the tree, cave, ice covered areas. Now match it correctly. Have you all finished matching? Shall I tell the answer? Snake. What is the answer? Hole. Next, bear. Where do bear live? Cave is the answer. Next, pandas. Where do pandas live? On trees. Next, penguin. What's the answer for that? Ice covered areas. Next, zebra. Where do zebra live? Shade of trees. If all the answers are correct, clap your hands. Fantastic. You got 3 stars. Now I am going to tell you about tiger. Cat and tiger look alike, isn't it? So tiger is called as big cat. Tiger, cheetah, leopard, jaguar all belong to big cat family. But all differs in resemblance and their attitudes. Tiger is the national animal of India. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Bye.